Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to compare Nokia G60 versus Oppo F21s Pro 5G with full specifications like display, design, performance, AnTuTu benchmarks, and price. And are going to know which is the best smartphone for you. So friends, please watch the entire video and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Let's start with a display comparison. In a comparison of screen size, Nokia G60 has a 6.58 inches screen, while the Oppo F21s Pro 5G has a 6.43 inches screen. If you look at the display type, Nokia G60 comes with an IPSLCD display, while the Oppo F21s Pro 5G comes with an AMOLED display. In the resolution, both phones comes with a Full HD Plus resolution. Nokia G60 has a 400 pixels density, while the Oppo F21s Pro 5G has 409 pixels. In the aspect ratio, both phones are equally comes with a 20:9 ratio. In a comparison of screen to body ratio, Nokia G60 has 82.8% and Oppo F21s Pro 5G has 85.3%. In a refresh rate comparison, Nokia G60 supports up to 120 Hz high refresh rate, while the Oppo F21s Pro 5G support up to 60 Hz higher refresh rate. Nokia G60 comes with Gorilla Glass 5 display protection, while the Oppo F21s Pro 5G comes with Short Sensation display protection. Friends, let's make a design comparison between these two phones. Looking at these two phones' physical height, Nokia G60 has 165.9 mm, while the Oppo F21s Pro 5G has 159.9 mm. Nokia G60 has 75.9 mm in the width, while the Oppo F21s Pro 5G has 73.2 mm width. Nokia G60 has 8.6 mm in the thickness, while the Oppo F21s Pro 5G has 7.6 mm. Looking at these two phones' weight, Nokia G60 has 190 grams, while the Oppo F21s Pro 5G has 181 grams. If you look at the colors of these two phones, Nokia G60 comes with two different colors, and the Oppo F21s Pro 5G also comes with two different colors. Friends, now let us compare about the camera and its features. Nokia G60 has a triple camera setup, including a 50 megapixels primary lens with OIS support, a 5 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixels depth camera. And the Oppo F21s Pro 5G also has a triple camera setup, including a 64 megapixels primary lens, a 2 megapixels macro camera, and a 2 megapixels depth camera. If you look at the video resolution of these phones, Nokia G60 supports up to Full HD resolution at 30 fps, and the Oppo F21s Pro 5G also supports up to Full HD resolution at 30 fps. In a comparison of front camera, Nokia G60 comes with an 8 megapixel selfie camera, with a Full HD video resolution at 30 fps. While the Oppo F21s Pro 5G comes with a 16 megapixel selfie camera, with a Full HD video resolution at 30 fps. Now let's compare the hardware between these two phones. Looking at the processor of both phones, Nokia G60 powered by a Snapdragon 695 chipset, and the Oppo F21s Pro 5G also powered by a Snapdragon 695 chipset. In a CPU comparison, Nokia G60 supports up to octa-core 2.2 GHz clock speed, and the Oppo F21s Pro 5G also supports up to octa-core 2.2 GHz clock speed. In the GPU comparison, Nokia G60 comes with an Adreno 619 GPU, and the Oppo F21s Pro 5G also comes with an Adreno 619 GPU. Let's compare the operating system. Nokia G60 comes with a stock Android-based Android 12 operating system, while the Oppo F21s Pro 5G comes with ColorOS-based Android 12 operating system. Friends, let's compare the storage between these two phones. Nokia G60 comes in a single variant, 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. While the Oppo F21s Pro 5G also comes in a single variant, 8GB RAM with 128GB storage. Both these phones comes with the memory card slot. Friends, let's compare the battery between these two phones. The battery capacity in Nokia G60 has 4500 mAh, and in the Oppo F21s Pro 5G also has 4500 mAh. Nokia G60 supports 20 watts fast charge, and the Oppo F21s Pro 5G supports 33 watts fast charge. Now let's compare the rest of the connectivity and features in these phones. Both these phones comes with an USB Type-C port. Both these phones comes with a 3.5mm audio jack. Nokia G60 comes with the NFC support, while the Oppo F21s Pro 5G doesn't comes with the NFC support. Both these phones doesn't have an IR blaster. Both these phones supports 5G network. Nokia G60 comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, while the Oppo F21s Pro 5G comes with an under-display fingerprint sensor. Both these phones comes with a Bluetooth 5.1 version. Now let's compare price. If you look at the Nokia G60, the 6GB 128GB variant is priced at 29,999 rupees. Oppo F21s Pro 5G, the 8GB 128GB variant is priced at 25,999 rupees. Friends, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more smartphone comparison videos.